Welcome to Jewelsteps. Today we are going to know how to create customer's bill in Jewelsteps jewelry software. First of all, you have to click on Transaction tab, then click on Sales Invoice. After that, a new form will open. You can see here all your old customers and their names will be shown. And if you want to add new customers, then you will have to type their name and press enter. After pressing enter, a new customer's form will open, where you can fill all the details of customers, such as phone numbers, addresses, ID, and passport. For that, you just have to click on Upload Documents and you can upload their ID or passport. And whatever documents you upload, you can select their names from the drop-down menu. And after pressing the Save button, these customers are saved forever in your database. In this software, you can sell it in both ways, with barcode and without barcode. If you have a barcode, you can scan the barcode or enter its number. After that, all the details will be automatically filled. But if you do not have barcode, then you will have to fill all the details manually. So let us know. First of all, you must click on Add Items. After that, a new form will open. After the form is open, you will have to select what you are selling to the customers. Gold, diamond, imitation, stones, whatever you want to sell, select it. Then click on the More button. After that, you can select the name of the product. After that, you can fill all the necessary things like carat, quantity, gross weight, today gold rate, making charge, per gram, and many more. And whatever rate making charge you apply, the software will automatically tell you the final price with tax. And if you want, you can also add photo of jewelry in it. And you can save it by clicking on the Add button. And after this, if you want, you can add the second item to the bill in the same way. In this way, whatever items you add, you will be able to see its grand total in the left side corner. Now, if customers want to make payment through multiple options, then click on More button. After that, you will be able to see that you have different payment options: cash, bank, check, UPI, card, metal exchange, and old gold. If the customer wants to make half the payment through cash and half through bank, then he can do this also. If customers are making cash payment, then you can add the cash amount by Enter button. And again, by clicking on the More button, if the customer wants to transfer the remaining balance amount from the bank, then you can select the bank. And whatever remaining amount is left, you can add it here. After all this is done, you can see the Save button above. After clicking on the Save button, you get the option whether you want to print the bill or not. After clicking Yes, your bill gets printed. And you can also send the invoice bill on WhatsApp, email it, and even save it as PDF. Thanks for watching.